What's up, kings and queens? It's Mr. Diddy, also known as Tye Dye, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a tie-dye design with acrylic. So I'm going to start out with my pink and then just use similar colors to go all the way up the nail. I'm going to start with a pink, going with the blue next, then a purple, a yellow, green, and I believe that's it. So I'm using really wet beads, and I'm just going over each color, like half of each color. So I did the pink first, the blue, and now I'm going to do a really light purple. You'll see at the end how everything ties together. My light is kind of not picking up everything, but using wet beads can also help you blend them to get that tie-dye effect. I used to be really bad at tie-dye, and that's because I wasn't using really wet beads. Nobody told me, so luckily y'all have me. So that's all I'm doing, is just using really wet beads. Your brush can get dirty, so make sure that you're wiping it and cleaning it after each stroke. At one point of the video, you can see me going in a lot. That's because acrylic was in between my brush. So always make sure you wipe it off, and even if it's not the cleanest, make sure it's not having too much buildup so that it won't ruin your brush. Like, you should never get to that point unless you're a beginner, which we've all been there before. So as you can tell, I'm still going up the nail with each color that I want. At this point, I just started doing random colors. I realized I really like that pink, the purple, and the blue. I like the green and the yellow, but you can barely see them, and they kind of look white until I take my picture. So you'll see how everything looks later. I'm sorry for the video quality, but for some reason it's just not picking up. So I like the tie-dye right here, but I realized that it was too much green and yellow in one space. So I started going in and trying to blend it over the blue, purple, and pink so that it looks more like a tie-dye. So that's all I'm doing, just wet beads back and forth until I get the look that I want. Once everything dries, I'm going to go in with my glitter. So now that everything is drying, I'm going to go in with my favorite glitter. If you've been subscribed to me for these past few years, you know my favorite is called Fame Game from Jellish. I got this from the Orlando premiere in 2018 when I was in nail school. So anyways, I'm going to go in with a thin layer of that, and if you see me tapping, it's because I didn't want a lot of glitter in one place. So once I cure that, this is how it looks. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.